Hello, my name is Alba Milena Pereira Ardila. Dear Mother, I am traveling to Peru with some friends and we are going to visit Machu Picchu. It is a very beautiful place, but it is bad weather today. It's been raining all the day. I am enjoying a cup of coffee. The trip has been amazing. In the airport I had no problem when we luggage the hotel. It's very large. I am leaving Machu Picchu. I am enjoying my last day. I am shopping, eating in restaurants, and taking photos on places. So if you are thinking of taking a trip, you have to go to Machu Picchu. I miss you, Mom. Goodbye. Thank you.